Hello everyone, welcome to Halsey's Kitchen. Going to be using this new contraption I just bought at Kmart. I'm going to try to make a omelet out of it using this egg substitute. So we'll see how it's going to work. Okay, now this is supposed to go in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, that's what it looks like after 2 minutes. I just had to stir from the outsides. Must be something like that. And then add your toppings or your ingredients. Got some green pepper and onion. I steamed them a little bit before so they wouldn't be so crunchy. A little bit of tomato. And a couple of slices of fat-free cheese. Now this is supposed to go back in for another 1.5 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like. It says to carefully slide it, if I can find the spoon, slide it onto the plate. Couple of slices of toast, couple of jalapeno rings, crack some black, a little touch of paprika, and that's what we got. It looks like the egg isn't cooked, but it is. That's just the cheese melted. Looks pretty good. Thanks for tuning in to Halsey's Kitchen. Oh yeah, one last thing. It's only about 350 calories, this whole meal. Lots of good carbs, protein, all kinds of good stuff. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.